Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a game changer for anyone using Phonak Marvel or Paradise wireless hearing aids, the Phonak TV connector. This isn't just another accessory. It's a dedicated TV streamer designed to transform the way individuals experience television, bringing crystal-clear audio directly to their hearing aids. Imagine being able to hear every whisper, every musical note, and every line of dialogue from your favorite shows and movies with unparalleled clarity, without needing to crank up the TV volume for everyone else in the room. That's precisely what the Phonak TV connector promises, and from what users report, it delivers. This device acts as a bridge, wirelessly transmitting sound from your television directly into your Phonak Marvel or Paradise hearing aids. The setup process is often described as incredibly simple, typically involving just plugging it into the TV and pairing it with the hearing aids. Its connectivity technology, often utilizing a USB connection for power, ensures a reliable and stable link, minimizing any frustrating audio dropouts or delays. One of the most significant advantages of this TV streamer is the personalized listening experience it offers. Each user can adjust the volume to their preferred level directly through their hearing aids, independent of the TV's main volume. This means no more arguments over the remote control or disturbing family members with excessively loud television. The sound quality itself is consistently highlighted as exceptional, providing a rich, immersive audio landscape that truly enhances the viewing experience. Whether it's a gripping drama, a live sports event, or a documentary, the detail and depth of sound are brought to the forefront. The design of the Phonak TV connector is typically compact and discreet, blending seamlessly into any home entertainment setup. Its button control interface is straightforward, making it easy for anyone to operate without needing to navigate complex menus or settings. This simplicity is a huge plus, especially for those who prefer a plug-and-play solution. It's not just about hearing better, it's about re-engaging with entertainment and social interactions around the TV. Users often express how it restores their confidence in following conversations during family movie nights or understanding news broadcasts. For individuals with Phonak Marvel or Paradise hearing aids, the TV connector is more than just a convenience. It's an essential tool for maximizing the potential of their hearing technology. It extends the benefits of their advanced hearing aids directly to their leisure time, ensuring they don't miss out on any part of the auditory world. The freedom to enjoy television without barriers, with personalized clarity and comfort, truly makes this device a standout accessory. It's a testament to how specialized technology can profoundly improve daily life, turning a common challenge into an effortless pleasure. This device truly elevates the home entertainment experience for its target audience, making every viewing session more enjoyable and accessible.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.